The next stock on our list is Maple Bear Inc., which is known by its subsidiary Instacart. Instacart operates in the online grocery delivery and pickup industry. The company connects users with retailers to order groceries and other goods for delivery or pickup through a user-friendly app and website. Acting as a middleman, it facilitates transactions between customers, grocery stores, and personal shoppers who fulfill the orders. Currently, the service operates in the US and Canada only. Instacart has a unique advantage over similar companies such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, GoPuff, and others, and that is the fact that they are focused on groceries instead of prepared food delivery. Groceries typically offer a larger basket size, often double or triple that of prepared food delivery, which allows for a higher take rate per order. If you take a look at the gross profit margin for Uber, DoorDash, and Instacart, you can see how Instacart is significantly higher. In addition, their competitors are relatively flat with little growth in gross margin. Meanwhile, Instacart has been trending upwards. Taking a look at operational performance, Instacart has a significantly higher free cash flow yield that is approximately equivalent to Uber and DoorDash combined. However, there are regulatory risks that are overshadowing the entire industry, as the Department of Labor is making efforts to reclassify many of these independent contractors or gig workers as employees. That could mean that all couriers would be required to be employees with proper benefits, which would be a lot more expensive for companies like this. But our analyst did point out that Instacart is in the best position to accommodate this, as they have significantly higher gross profit margins compared to their peers. As far as the management goes, the CEO has an approval rating of 62%, which is definitely lower than what we've seen so far, so that should be taken into consideration. Our analyst calculated a fair value of $41.65 per share, which could mean undervaluation of roughly 16% for the stock.